is a full review of one of the coolest NFT games you can play in 2023. I think you should get involved right now. It's Midnight Society's new game, Deadrop. Please do your own research, but no, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. Let's get straight in. So guys, here we are at Midnight Society, all right, and we are going to be talking about the new game, Deadrop, all right? Before we do, though, just a quick info on if you don't know what Midnight Society is. They're an incredible society, all right? They were founded on the core principles of transparency and open development. From as early as the creation of the very first weapon, environment, and gameplay systems, we ship playable builds of their games to massive community of players, all right? Started by 4 industry veterans, the studio has grown to over 50 AAA developers from the largest franchises in the world: Call of Duty, Halo, Fortnite, and more, right? If you know what them games are, you know this is about to be ridiculous, all right? So let's go straight into what Deadrop is, all right? If you need to do some more research on Midnight Society, please do your own research. Now, Deadrop is a first-person shooter game. If you like the Call of Duty side, if you like things like that, you're going to love this, all right? They have a vertical extraction shooter for a new age of competitive multiplayers. And as you scroll down this website, you start to get a feel for what this is going to be, all right? We've got these really uniquely built characters, all right, looking like some sort of vamped up, okay, Deadrop variants. Now, there's different series on there, right? You can go in detail about the snapshots, but I don't want to bore you with that, all right? I just want to tell you what Deadrop is. It's the first game that is being built by the Midnight Society. It was formerly known as the Project Moon. It is a vertical extraction shooter that combines the arena shooter level design with the scale and scope of a battle royale and the strategic minute-by-minute gameplay of an extraction shooter, all right? Compete for the best drops and exact with your life and gear. So basically what you're going to be doing, let me just show you a bit of a trailer for this. So guys, this is one of Dr. Disrespect's trailers for the game, all right? You can see here, we're zooming in, we're trying to get to the weapon side, all right? First vertical extraction, and we're moving forward. So guys, here we are at the range now, banging some targets down, all right, getting used to how this is working. If you're ready for this to look like a bit Call of Duty, Fallout, things like that, it is quality, all right? The speed is fantastic as you're going through the gameplay, okay? It's got so much detail, all right? They have gone super in detail about how they want this game to look for everyone else. Here we've got all the different kinds, all right? Got skulls on sticks that you've got to knock down, all right? This is a sort of target game where you can get extra bonuses and things like that inside of it, all right? The aim of this game is run through this, doing the missions. Even if it's in the open world, that's fine. Getting these dead drops, a bit like if you've played Division, things like that, and the drops happen, you've all got to fight for them, all right? You can do little games like this with the targets. This game has actually been out for a while for the founders that have been playing it, but now it is available for us to get involved with this season, okay? Going through, as you can see, these skulls, you can hit them, melee them, anything you need to do. Deadrop is about to take over. Now I want to take you over to the Twitter, okay? They've got 173,000 followers. It's at 12 a.m. all right? Really cool look on Midnight Society. And look at how engaged they are with this, all right? 278,000 views just for this one Deadrop showdown, all right, which is on March the 17th, actually the day that I'm recording this. Go down, you can see they've got their own figurines coming out. There's a massive project behind this, all right? Very cool. You can see a lot of alpha coming into the game, all right? The trailer that we just shown, you can see a little snapshot of it right here on their Twitter. Please start getting involved so you can see exactly why people are getting ridiculously hyped about this project, guys. Please know that I do see this probably being the biggest project of the year. There you go, guys. Do me a huge favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Have fun, and I'll see you next time.